Alrighty, so this is another Minka Aire ceiling fan, which is installed in the master bedroom. This one is white and has the same light bulb in it, and just like the other ones, they have the same light bulbs. And the ones in the living rooms work on remotes, and the ones in the bedrooms work on wall controls. And yeah, alright, let's demonstrate the lighting. Alright, here goes low. This one also buzzes. Here's medium. These are 52-inch fans, I think, or 60-inch, or 54. I can't tell. I think it's 52. Here's high. It does wobble a little bit more. It wobbles a little more than the one upstairs. I think this one wobbles the most. And I like these fans. Here is off. Alright, that's it, everyone. Bye-bye.